Yo, what's up boys? TechCS here, back with a new video on Rain. In today's video, we're going to be doing, so every battle we win, we 2x, we put it on red or black, or if we're feeling even more riskier, we put it on green. Hopefully it ends up good. So yeah, if you guys want to support me on Rain, go to the top, go to the deposit, go to referrals, and then just type in TechCS and apply for 7 days. You be entered in my weekly leaderboard. It runs every 2 weeks, so it's 400 coins. I don't know what the first place is yet, so I haven't checked it out yet, but it'll be out pretty soon. Probably whenever this video is posted, it'll be out. So yeah, boys, we're gonna start off with this with a 50 coin 3v3. So whenever we win, we put the profits on red or black, or we put everything on red or black.
At the same time, yeah.
What do you think?
Oh,
great start.
it's only bright stars. Nothing can go wrong.
What'd you say? Oh my.
Nothing can
like
go wrong.
400.
Ooh.
We won. I think.
Based on your calculations, yeah.
Gold. I never see a gold in this case.
32 gems on red or black.
I'm feeling red or black.
Just start with red, and the next time you put black.
Let them hit. No. I wanted that fucking rain spin right there. Okay.
Interesting.
Don't be a CZ. We need a gold. Put on.
Okay.
300. 200. Okay.
Okay, let's go.
Okay, nice. Pace, but we need to put it on green. On black. Oh my god, boy, this is so stupid. Come on, show us a black right now.
How hard it can be, come on.
Alright, we're back to break even again. So now we're gonna do the same exact thing and instantly lose all again.
Okay.
Okay,
Oh, okay.
go for that. So us red, them yellow. I mean purple.
What?
Oh no, fuck you. Oh,
what the hell?
We're saved. Good on?
What?
Oh fuck. Oh fuck no.
Oh
no.
Okay. 120.
Oh no. Oh, it's 119. 110.
117, 110, whatever.
117.
110 on red. 110 on red. Hurry up.
This is just so stupid. Please, just one time. Let us win.
Let's go.
Yes. Come on. Let's go, boys.
Okay. Interesting.
The first battle we lose. It's a gold. We're fucking cooked. Yeah, fuck.
That's nothing.
What is this dog shit battle?
Soon. See?
Oh,
Double.
I'm winning right now as well.
Yeah.
This is guaranteed 100 each. Imagine seeing the fucking sapphire.
2 sapphires, yeah.
Oh shit. Give me amphibious. 80. I mean, it's okay. Wait. It's guaranteed 180. If they pull anything else than Navaja, we're fucking fucked. Okay, it's 180. It's 180.
Didn't even register.
Yeah, we
what the-
lost.
Oh my god.
If it's a gold or something, we lost. Okay, wait. We won.
Oof. Nice.
Come on, be some massive. Oh man.
Oh.
You see that fucking karambit, bro?
Yeah.
280 though. Oh, fuck this challenge, bro. How much?
160.
Oh, man. This challenge is gonna make me go nuts.
Come on, come on.
I hate this challenge so much. I hate this challenge so fucking much. You.
Lucky. Okay. Not bad.
160. I don't know why it's not loading. I don't think it's loading, bro. It's annoying.
Bugging.
Yeah, it's lagging for some reason.
Oh fuck.
We won. It pays money. If it pays
14.
14 on fucking. Oh, what the shit. Man.
Yay.
I'm not even happy.
Crazy case. Nice.
Crying for over now. Crying for, come on. Worst item. Oh man, fuck you, man. Fuck you. Fuck you.
5 minutes later.
We'll try again next time. So, yo, guys, if you want to support me on Rain, go to the top, deposit referrals, and just type in decades. Yes. Buy for 7 days, you get a 5% bonus website, and you'll be entered by the leaderboard. I'll put it on the screen for you guys again. So, yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please sub, drop a like, and drop a comment of some sort so I know that you watch my videos to this point. See you guys next one. Peace.